Okay, so you have the bad credit or probably you have the bad debt and you've been wondering which credit card you could purchase or probably apply for that you can use to rebuild your bad credit. So this way you can be able to increase your credit score and also build a good reputation in your credit record. So today we're going to be discussing about this, and my name is Maverick, so let's head straight to this tutorial. I'm going to be listing several types of credit cards that you can apply for to build your bad credit with their banks, and you can possibly use these credit cards to rebuild your credit. I'm going to start from the last till the first, so you want to stick with me till we reach the number one. Now the seventh one here is the Credit One Bank Platinum Visa card. Here it is, and as you can see, although we generally don't recommend cards for rebuilding credit that charge an annual fee, but this Credit One Bank Platinum Visa for rebuilding credit card earns a spot on the list for its reasonable structure. Okay, now it has several rewards, and the first one is that you earn 1% cash back on eligible gas, groceries, mobile phone service, internet service, and cable and satellite TV purchases. Although when it comes to welcome bonus, this card does not offer any welcome bonuses. All right, and also you have annual fee of $75 for the first year, and after that you have to pay $99 annually, which is billed at $8.25 per month. All right, and several other benefits and drawback is that you also get you get rewarded whenever you're spending every day with this card. All right, and Credit One says they will review your account regularly to see if you qualify for a credit line increase too. Okay, so in case you're the kind of person that you're settling your debt, you have more chances of being able to qualify for more credit limit. Just be aware that there are other options you might qualify for that don't charge annual fees. So this is the seventh here. Now let's go to the number 6, which is the Discover It Secure credit card. This is the number 6 on the list, and with this credit card, it comes with a great combination of features for those that are looking to build their credit score and also settle some outstandings. Now the card comes with no annual fees. That is the best side of this card. It comes with no annual fee and no account opening fees, and the card earns rewards to boot. Now rewards, you earn 2% cash back at gas station and restaurants, while you also earn up to $1,000 in combined purchases each quarter, plus and unlimited 1% cash back on all other purchases. And when it comes to welcome bonus, you earn unlimited cashback match, which Discover will automatically match all the cashback earned at the end of the first year. Just like I said, it's $0 annual fee. Several other benefits, in addition to a lack of fees commonly found in other secure cards, Discover will renew your account starting at 7 months to see if you qualify to graduate to an unsecured account. It will go with any secure card. What you have to know is that your security deposit doesn't earn interest, and the increased cashback on restaurants and gas stations is capped at $1,000 per quarter, but it's relatively rare to earn rewards at all a secured credit card. Now let's head straight to the number 5 on the list, which is the Open Sky Secured Visa credit card. With the Open Sky Secured Visa credit card, you have good option to help rebuild your credit. There is no credit report required to apply, so your credit score doesn't matter like several other traditional credit cards. It's even possible to get approved with this card if you don't have a credit score at all. Yes, that is it. Now the only bad aspect is that this card doesn't earn rewards, so if you're using this card, you shouldn't expect any rewards. All right, also this card doesn't offer any welcome bonus at all, but for you to know, for a card that accepts you even if you don't have a credit score, you should also know that there will be some catch. Okay, and also you have an annual fee of $35 which you have to pay. Other benefits and drawbacks is that this card stands out from the pack because it doesn't require a credit check or even a bank account to be approved. And this can be helpful for people with bankruptcies and back taxes, as many other secure credit cards won't approve you for these reasons. So if you're the kind of person that you have a low credit score, or maybe you don't even have a credit score at all, you can apply for these and you have more chances to be approved. So this is majorly good for those who don't have any credit score at all, but you have to know that you won't get any reward or any welcome bonus at all, and you have to be paying an annual fee of $35. So that is about the number 5, which is the Open Sky Secured Visa credit card. Now let's go to the number 4. That is the Revi Visa credit card. Now with this credit card, you earn 1% cash back rewards on all purchases with Revi. Oh yes, the perfect card for not so perfect credit. All right, now it's fast and easy application process. As you can see, you just apply in first step, which is very easy, with a response provided in seconds. Reports to all 3 major barriers to build your credit history, and you also eligible for a credit line increase after 12 months of on-time payment. So all you just have to do is to build good reputation with this credit card, and they will help you to rebuild your credit record. Now you can choose between 2 free cards design and 4 premium designs. And it's also accepted by merchants across the United States and online. You also have free credit monitoring powered by TransUnion, and it also has a simple and powerful mobile app that really makes it possible for you to make payments and also get your cashbacks and transact easily. It has a regular APR of 35.99%, and you're to pay an annual fee of $75 for the first year. Then later on, you start paying $48. So that is about the Revy credit card. Now let's go to the number 3, which is the Mission Lane Visa credit card. Now, you can see if you qualify instantly without harming your credit score. That is what I like about the Mission Lane, because compared to several other credit cards out there that are going to make an inquiry and probably pull your credit record, which might decrease your credit score a little, Mission Lane is never like that, and they see if you qualify instantly without harming your credit record, meaning every inquiry that they make is a soft pull to your credit record, and you can automatically consider for a higher credit line in as few as 7 months. Free online credit score access for card holders is also what you enjoy with this credit card. It helps to build your credit record with time. An instant decision on your application, which doesn't take a lot of time for you to be approved or probably disapproved. There is no interest on purchases whenever you pay in full with a Mission Lane, and the moment you pay on time, they help you to build more of your credit score. Same, you don't have to pay any security deposit. You can get started easily. You also enjoy coverage from Visa and access your account anytime, anywhere with their mobile application. You have a regular APR of 26.99% to 29.99% variable, and your annual fee is $0 to $59. That is about the Mission Lane credit card. Now let's head straight to number 2, and as you can see right here, it's easy to get started. Let's head straight to number 2, which is Tomo credit card. Now this can be an ideal solution for someone who has strong financial but no credit history in the United States. So this company uses your salary information and other financial considerations to determine your eligibility. As you can see, all you need is to input your email address and you can get started. You don't need any credit score, and your spending power up to $10,000, and your financial freedom starts with this credit card. Now the difference between this credit card and Open Sky is that with Open Sky, you don't necessarily need to, show your financial history, alright, meaning you can easily get approved even if you don't have any financial history. But with this Tomo, it's still more advanced, and it's very considerable for those who have a very good income level but they don't have any credit history in the United States. Also, this card doesn't offer reward just like the Open Sky, and there is no welcome bonuses for you. And the annual fee is $2.99 per month, which is roughly $3 per month. However, if you shop from their merchants, maybe DoorDash, Lyft, and more, you might still be able to get a little bit of benefit, but directly from them, they are offering you no benefits. The only benefit you enjoy is the fact that you don't need any credit score to apply for this, and you can also use this credit card to build your credit record. Alright, and other benefits is that Tomo's approval process means you will have to agree to connect to your bank account for a weekly auto pay of your bill. So that is how it works. You have to connect it to your bank account for a weekly auto pay, making this more like a charge card than a credit card. So if you're not cool with that, then possibly you might not want to consider it. But if you're cool with it, you can easily connect it to your bank account. But the weekly payment means you won't pay any interest on your charges, and you don't have to be a US citizen to apply for this card. So even if you're not from the United States, you can still apply for this credit card, although you do need a valid SSN or ITIN and a valid government issued ID card. So those are the things you're going to be required for you to be approved for this credit card. Now let's go to the number 1 on the list, which is the Navy Federal and Reward Secured Credit Card. This is the number 1, and it is an excellent option for someone with eligible military affiliation looking to build their credit profile. So in case you have a military affiliation, this is something you could consider, and you can use it to build your credit profile. The outstanding thing about this is that you also earn rewards with this credit card. You earn 1 point per dollar on eligible net purchases. Although this card does not offer any welcome bonus, and your annual fee is $0. This zero annual fee credit card offers reward on eligible net purchases. And as you know that any rewards on the secured cards is rare, but what makes this card outstand is that it offers a path starting at 6 months to upgrade to an unsecured account. The only drawback, which is a big one, is that you have to be a member of the credit union to apply for the card. So this is not a card that everyone can easily apply for. You need to be a member for you to be able to apply for this card. Membership is open to anyone who has a relative in the armed forces. So if you have a relative in the armed forces, you can apply for this credit card, which includes an applicant's grandparents. You may also be able to find a secured card with a lower ongoing APR with the end reward rate of 18% variable APR on purchases and balance transfers. But another best thing about this is that it doesn't have any balance transfer fee. So that is it about the Navy Federal Credit Union and Reward Secured Credit Card. Since we are done with the listing of the 7 best credit cards that you can use to build your credit record or your credit profile, let's talk about some other petty ways that you can also use to build your credit record. The number one is that you should pay your bills on time. It's always good that you pay your bills on time because this way you'll be able to build your credit record. So whenever your bill is due, try as much as possible to pay your bills. And also, don't get too close to your credit limit. Credit scores consider how close you are to being maxed out on credit cards. If you use too much of your credit limit, it may hurt your credit score. That is why some experts advise using no more than 30% of your total credit limit, while others say you should use less than 10%. Also, you shouldn't apply for too much credit card in a short time. Your credit score may go down if you apply for or open a lot of new accounts in a short time, which will cause an add pull in your credit record. This includes getting a new card so you can transfer balances or opening a new store card account so you can get a discount. This way, it keeps hurting your credit score. And also, number 4 is if you do not qualify for a regular credit card, you can try a secured card. Many banks and credit unions offer secure cards. With most of this card, your credit line, customer financial protection bureau starts out small. Also, you put an amount equal to your credit limit in an account as a deposit. As you show, you can pay on time. Your credit limits may rise and you may have your deposits refunded. Fees and interest rates can be high for secured card, but using one can help you to establish a credit record. Also, it's good that if you pay with credit card, you should pay your balances off every month. You can build credit by using your credit card and paying on time and every time. Pay off your balances in full each month to avoid paying financial charges, and also paying off your balances each month can also build better credit than carrying a balance because it helps to keep you from getting close to your credit limit. And the final one here that I have for you is to keep up with your credit score based on your overall experience with paying your bills over time. Try as much as possible to use the top barriers to check your credit records from time to time and see how your credit score is performing. Thank you very much for your time. I hope this video has been helpful and you've been able to learn the 7 best recommended credit cards here that you can use to build your credit record with time. If you enjoyed this video and you want more credit cards tutorials, kindly make sure that you hit the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop new tutorials. And I hope to see you in some other credit tutorials. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.